Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's project is Pottery Barn dupe vases or vessels. So I'm starting out here with joint compound. It's the kind that's pink until it dries and becomes white. And so I just glove up and do strokes horizontally, swiping back and forth. And here I've done the same thing with the smaller vase, but I've gone back before it's completely dried and just tapped everywhere to give more texture. Now here they are dry and ready for some paint. For this larger vase, I wanted to do a really kind of creamy light brick tone, and so I've got this little Valspar sample here that I'm pouring in, but I don't want it that bright or strong, so I'm putting some cream color in, and I'm gonna put in some black and white as well until it's that kind of muted down brick tone that I'm going for. And these colors you can just pick up at your Walmart or Michael's sample sections and Home Depot, like really just whatever colors you're going for, chalk paints and acrylic containers. And so now here's the next vase. I'm going to be doing kind of a patchy design, I guess, with cream, black, and white. And I'm not going to fully mix it like the first vase. I'm going to kind of dab it into each other so it kind of has this patchy coverage. I put a little bit of water in it to kind of allow that to happen a bit more, and squeezing out excess because I got too much. If you work an area too long and have too much liquid, it'll start activating that joint compound again, so be careful about that. Now what I'm doing with the larger vase, now that it's dried, I'm getting what's called calcium carbonate, which is often used in paints to turn it into a chalk paint. I get it off of Amazon, but here I'm just diluting it really thinly with water, doing brush strokes horizontally, and then I'm going in with my microfiber rag to kind of break up the perfect look of horizontal streaks back and forth, because I just want a kind of cloudy haze randomly, not perfect. Here's the calcium carbonate that I use. So I'm going to be using it again on the smaller vase, but I'm not doing it as thin as the larger one. I'm going to have it a little bit thicker and have some clumps in there, and that's what I want. Dabbing it all over the vase. It's going to add to that texture and depth, and then once I've finished going all over it, then I'm going to rub it very lightly with my hand, which kind of rubs down the peaks, and it's gotten a little bit softer, so I'm able to do that because we've gotten that liquid on it again. So rubbing down those peaks until it shows some of that gray underneath and it shows more dimension, and it's kind of the last touch. After these vases are dry, then they're ready for the last step, and that is a matte clear coat. And here they are all finished. I hope my video was helpful to you. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe to get alerts when my next video comes out. It will be very soon.